బర్త్డే ఉంది.
Hello, Harsha, Kirti, are you able to hear me?
Yes, madam.
Okay. We'll start the class. 1 minute. Hello. Yes, Nandini. Yeah, you join it. I'm starting. I'm on that only. Join it. Okay. So, students, good morning. How are you
Morning,
all?
ma'am. Good, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Students, I hope that you all have completed first assignment. So, I would like to know, first of all, let us complete your doubts. Let me clarify your doubts. Then we will proceed further to discuss new topic. Because you all have written the assignments, you might have got some doubts while writing. If you have, please let me know.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you, all the students can ask, because this is like a circuits, no? So you may not understand directly. If I explain, it will become easy for you. The first unit, anyway, first unit is not that practical. First unit, I think it is clear. Prem,
Yeah, ma'am.
how are you?
I am. How are you,
Prem,
ma'am?
yeah, I'm good.
Ma'am?
Prem, whenever you make a PDF using Cam Scanner, did you make using Cam Scanner?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, you have to apply magic filter.
Okay, ma'am.
If you apply magic filter, then what happens is it will come very
Bright.
clear, bright white.
Okay.
Okay, so you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
any doubts in assignment 1 questions, whatever you have written for 2
Yeah,
units?
no, ma'am.
No, or everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, everything is clear? Then we'll proceed. What was the last topic we discussed in the class? I think this register transfer, bus, 3-state bus also we did, and 4-bit binary adder also we did. Binary adder subtractor, 4-bit binary incrementer also we did. Arithmetic circuit, did you all understand? That is the most complex in that chapter. This circuit is a bit complicated. Did you all understand this? Okay, let us recapitulate and let us begin.
Okay.
So we are studying in this chapter micro operations. There are three kinds of micro operations: arithmetic, logical, and that shift. Arithmetic, logical, and shift. So in arithmetical micro operations, we studied about add, subtract, and also we did these are page number. Are you all able to see the screen which I am sharing?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so now you see what is there? Table 4.3. All these are what? Arithmetic micro operations: addition, subtraction, one's complement,
Complement.
two's complement. This is subtraction using two's complement. This is incrementing the content by one, means incrementing, decrementing. These arithmetic micro operations we have looked at even the circuits. If you look at this circuit, there are 4 full adders. What this circuit is designed to do? This circuit will perform addition operation, addition with carry, subtraction with borrow, subtraction. You know, students, subtraction and subtraction with borrow difference. Subtraction means you are performing subtraction operation using two's complement, and subtraction with borrow means you are using one's complement. If you look at this expression, a plus b complement means this is you are adding a to the one's complement of b. And if you look at this next expression, you are adding a to the two's complement of b. B complement plus 1. That is, you are you are achieving subtraction through addition by using two's complement, if you all remember this. Then this is transfer a. Whatever is there in a, same thing will be transferred. And this is increment a. If the value is 6, you add 1, it becomes 7. If the value is 0 1 1 0, it will become 0 1 0 1. No, 0 1 1 1. 7 means. Then this is decrement. If suppose the value is 6 minus 1, it becomes 5. And the last is again the transfer. So how are you achieving this? Through this circuit. In this circuit, you have 4 full adders. You have 4 full adders. You have 4 multiplexers. And these multiplexers will get 4 different types of inputs. And then based on the selection input lines, input will be chosen. Did you analyze this circuit, all of you, while writing in assignment? Yes, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you analyze this? Did you understand, all of you? If you are having doubt, please ask. Can I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Let us look at
Yes, ma'am.
logic micro operations. Arithmetic micro operations are done. We'll look at logic micro operations. What are logic operations? Can anyone tell me? Logical operations.
Logical and logical or.
Very good. Logical and, logical or, logical not. They are the logical operations. So in this, there is a list of logical operations. Look at here, this table. Refer to this table. In this table, you can find 16 logical micro operations. First operation is clear. Clear means what? Suppose if the register contains, if the size of register is 4 bits and if it has 1 1 0 0, and if you want to clear it, then what do? You make all the contents, all the bits 0. You make all
Like
the
reset,
bits
ma'am?
0. So it is like clear. Erased. Okay. So this one. Look at this one. This is making the function clear. Means making all the bit values 0. That is clear. And means and operation. You know, 1 and 1 is 1. 1 and with
rest
0
are 0.
is 0.
0.
0, yes, 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. So only when both are 1 1 of this, that will be 1. So that is logical and micro operation. This is third one is A and B complement. First you are making B complement and then you are performing AND operation with A. So if suppose both are 0 0, A is 0, B you make 1 and then you perform AND operation. That is third one. Fourth one is normal, just you are transferring. If A contains value 1100, same thing we are transferring in the register and register gets 1100. This is A complement and B. This transfer B. This exclusive OR, A exclusive OR B. Where exclusive OR will give a value 1 only when both the inputs are same. 0 0 means it gives 1, 1 1 means it gives 1. In other cases 0 1 and 1 0 it gives 0. That is exclusive or NOR, exclusive NOR, complement, and then this is performing AND operation by complement OR operation. And before performing OR operation, you are complementing B. This is complement and this is first complementing A and then performing OR operation with B. This NAND and all this is set the bits to 1. If a register A has a value 1100 and if you set all to 1, then all become 1111. Okay, students, these are the logical micro operations. In this, yes, Jagdish, you have any doubt? You have raised.
Ma'am, once again, can you explain from exclusive or from once again from exclusive or?
Okay, exclusive OR means what is it? Exclusive OR, as you know, when both the inputs are same. 1 1 means it gives 1 and for 0 0 it gives 1. In other two cases 1 0 and 0 1 it gives 0. That is exclusive OR. It is also
0. Okay.
It is also a logic micro operation. Okay. NOR means we know
Okay,
1 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, 0 1 is 1, 0 0 is 0. If any of the inputs is 1, then output is 1 in OR. NOR is, what is NOR? It is A or B complement. First you perform OR operation and then you complement it. That is NOR. Exclusive NOR, you just complement XOR. Now exclusive NOR means 1 1 means 0. 0 0 means 0. 0 1 means 1. 1 0 means 1.
0.
Whatever value you get no in XOR, you complement it, you get exclusive NOR. Okay?
Exclusive NOR.
Exclusive NOR means complement of XOR. Then complementing B. You know, here first complementing and then performing OR operation with A. Then complement A, then complement A and perform OR operation with B. Then this is first perform AND operation between A and B and then complement the whole result. And this is setting all to ones. Means 1 1 0
These
0
all are
means
clear,
it will become all ones. Okay. So this is logical micro operations. And then hardware implementation of logical micro operation, only one stage is shown here. So what happens is multiplexer. This 4x1 multiplexer takes two selection input lines, and when A and B, both the bits are given as input to AND gate, then what happens? What will be EI? EI will be equal to AND operation, because EI will be getting the input from means the output of AND gate will be given as input here. Means the when S1 and S0 are 0 0, then AND gate will be chosen. So what do? You perform AND operation between the bits of A and B. When S0 is 1 and S1 is 0, then what happens? This second OR gate will be chosen. And then you are performing OR operation between the bits of A and B. Okay. And when S0 is 0 and S1 is 1, then you are performing XOR operation. So EI will give the result of XOR operation of A and B bits. And the last one, when both are 1, 1, S0 and S1, when both are 1, 1, what are you performing? You are performing a complement of A. If you observe here, because inverter gate takes only one input. Inverter gate takes one input, so you are getting only, you are providing a bit to inverter. So then the output here, you get the complement of A when both the selection input lines are 1 and 1. This is the implementation of logic micro operation for only 2 bits. Like this, you have to develop, if the size of A and B are 4 bits each, then here like these 4 will be repeated 4 times, because this is just for single bit A0 and B0. Then A1 and B1, another set you should have, and A2 and B2, another you should have, and A3 and B3. Did you all understand? If you don't understand, please raise hand here so that I can come to you. Okay, this is implementation. Now these are the applications. After implementation of this logic micro operation, we will look at some of the applications of logic micro operation. What can you do by using logic micro operation? First application is selective set. What do you do in selective set? In selective set, you are setting to 1 the bits in register A where there are corresponding ones in register B. If suppose there are 2 registers, register A and register B, and register A has value 1010 and B has a value 1100. Now what should be the output? The output should be wherever there are ones in register B, the corresponding bits in register A should be set to 1. What does this means? It means that here B, what are the positions? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you start at this side. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Bit number 2 and 3 of B are having 1 and 1. Then what this operation should give the result? This operation should make A to get 1 and 1 at positions 2 and 3, because B register has 1 and 1 at positions 2 and 3. Did you all understand what I said? The corresponding, see for this, what is the corresponding bit in A? For this one, the corresponding bit is this. And for this one, corresponding bit is this. So what you should do? After performing this operation, A should get 1 and 1. Already here it has 1, but you don't consider it. What you have to do? You have to consider only those ones in B, so that the A corresponding bits in A also get the 1 value. So which operation if you perform, then you get like that? Can anyone tell me which logical micro operation will make this happen? What you want to happen? You want the bits of A to become 1 where the corresponding bits in B are having 1. Please reflect on this and let me know.
OR operation, ma'am.
Yes, very good. How? Right.
Because 0 plus 1 gives 1 in OR.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
See what is happening, students. you just consider this part. Okay, this part is important. Why this part is important? Because B are having 1 and 1 here, so you want 1 and 1 here. Remaining the other values should be same as it is in the result. Whatever result you get, other values should remain same. You should not get disturbed. So it should be OR operation, because 1 and 1 is 1 and 1 and 0 is also 1. So wherever there are ones in B, even if there are zeros in A, the output will be 1. So here you use, what do you use? You use this. If you look at here, what it is giving, it is here, it is giving here, or micro operation. You have to use or micro operation to perform this selective set operation. Okay, next, selective complement operation. What is selective complement operation? Wherever there are corresponding ones in B, A should get
0.
no complement.
Complement.
You should perform complement.
Complement.
Wherever there are ones in B, those position in A should get the complement of whatever they have presently. So what are those? Again, you have this 2 bits, corresponding bits of this 1 0. What should be the output? This 1 should become 0. It is complementing. And this 0 should become 1. It is complementing. Now tell me which operation to apply, which logical micro operation to apply to achieve this result.
A
Complement.
complement. Not operation.
Not where how will you apply not?
Both ones.
How will you apply not operation? You can't apply. Not operation is applicable only on
Once.
single input.
One input.
Yeah, only on one input. Not on 2 inputs. No. Here what you have to perform of some operation on A and B, such that after performing the operation, wherever there are ones in B, those positions in A should get the complement of whatever they had. Think, solve and tell me.
This looks like XOR operation, ma'am.
XOR?
Yeah. Output is 1 when there are odd number of inputs.
Others?
Ma'am, XOR complement, ma'am.
XOR?
Complement.
XOR complement? The answer is exclusive OR operation.
Yeah, ma'am. Exclusive OR.
Yeah, Harsha is right. Very good, Harsha. Prem, you did not understand? You also said
got it,
XOR?
But I said complement.
Okay, so how it is? Okay, I think while explaining logical, I said reverse no in XOR.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. XOR is odd number function. All of you please remember, XOR is a odd number function. Means if it is single one, then you get output 1. And if there are 3 ones also, you get output 1.
Output 1.
I am so
Yes,
sorry,
ma'am.
students. It is like XOR is odd number function where there is single one, you get output 1. If there are 2 similar inputs, output will be 0. Okay, right. Okay, that's because of me you got confused. Okay, now you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next, next you tell me this. What is this? Selective clear. What is happening in selective clear?
Ma'am, scroll down. Ma'am.
Hmm?
Just okay.
What is happening? First tell me what is happening in that.
Ma'am.
Wherever there are ones in B, corresponding bits in A getting
0.
all the students, are you all able to understand? No? Yes, all the other students, what you all are doing? We can also chat, you know, without speaking. You can send me messages if you have any doubt. Yes, Harsha, what is that?
I didn't understand, ma'am.
You did not understand? Anyone understood this one? What is happening wherever there are corresponding, wherever there are ones in B, no? Wherever there are ones in B, the corresponding bits of A should get zeros. Bit number 2 and bit number 3 should get 0 because bit number 2 in B is 1, so A should get 0. Bit number 3 in B is 1, so A should get 0. This is selective clear. It clears the bits to bits in A where there are ones in B. So which operation we have to perform, which logical operation we have to perform here? It is
Transfer.
no, it is not one, it is combination. You have to use two operations. It is, I think, let us see. It is A and B. First you have to complement the B and then perform AND operation with A. Then what happens?
Okay.
1 minute, you all please solve this. I will attend you. Isha, good morning. No problem, bye. This meeting will end in 10 minutes. Okay, students, first you all have to make this B a complement, because if B becomes 0, then whatever, irrespective of the value of A, output will be 0. That's why you have to make B a complement, and then you have to apply AND operation. So this is selective clear. And now you understood, all students. Harsha?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is mask operation? Look at mask. Mask is, it is similar to selective clear, except the bits of A are cleared only where there are corresponding zeros. In this, what you are doing? Wherever there are ones in B, you are making the output 0 of A. Here, wherever there are zeros in B, the output should be 0. Now we are focusing on zeros, not ones. So 0, 0. In B, you have 0, 0. So A bit number 0 and A bit number 1 should be 0, 0. Okay. So this is mask operation. Which operation is it? It is AND micro operation. It is AND because if you perform AND operation with 0, the output will be 0. All of you, please try to understand that. I should know whether you are understanding or not. Insert operation is, in this what are you doing is, you are trying to insert a new value in A by performing two different operations. First, what you have to do is, suppose if you have to add, actually insert operation inserts a new value into the group of bits. How this is done? By first masking the bits, then ORing them with the required value. This is a mask. What is the mask? You are performing AND operation. Suppose if you want to insert at this place new set of bits. Now see, A is 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, this is A value. What do you want? You want to change this 0 1 1 0 to 1 0 0 1. If you want to change this, what you have to do? First step is mask. What do you do in mask? You use all 0 bits for the set of bits you want to change, and all ones for the bits that you don't want to change. So, and you apply AND operation. After you apply AND operation, this all bits became 0. Now what are you doing? You are performing here OR operation with the new bits which you want to add or insert in A. Okay, so this you are inserting in A. So this is the new value, and this here you don't want to make any changes, so this should be all zeros. And after you perform OR operation, you get whatever is the desired bits you have added. A before was 0 1 1 0 and 1 0 1 0, and after insertion it became 1 0 0 1 and 1 0 1 0. Okay, this is insert. Then you have clear operation. Clear operation means it is like you are comparing whether two registers are having same set of values. So how it is done? It is done by using XOR operation, and this XOR operation will give 0 when both inputs are same. XOR gives 0 when both the inputs are same. So if there are 0 0 in A, output will be 0, and if you get all zeros in the output, it means that both registers are having same values. Because if it is same only, then you get 0. Okay, this is clear. That is about logical micro operations. Now we'll look at shift micro operations. Shift. Can I go ahead? Are you all clear with logical micro operations? Harsha?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Sure.
Prem and who all are there in the group?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Bhavna? Bhavna, did you understand? Jagdish, Shivani,
Yeah, ma'am.
Mahesh, Kirti, Nandini, Saraswati, Shravani, Yasmin. Yasmin कब join हुए? Okay, so chat. Uh, okay. Okay. Explain mask. Okay, mask. I will explain mask. So masking operation. If you want some bits to become 0, then what do you have to do? You have to use a mask of 0 and apply AND operation. Then output will be 0. Suppose if A is having 4 ones and you want the output to be all zeros, then what do you have to do? You have to use AND operation, and you have to use a mask of all zeros. Means 0 and 1 means 0. So what happens is, whenever you want to clear the register. Clear the register means what? Make all its bits equal to 0. When you want to perform that operation, you have to use AND operation with a mask of all zeros. So mask, you are naming the mask as B. Suppose there is a register called B. In that you are putting all zeros, and a register is there A, which is having a value 0, 1, 1, 0. And you want to make that 0, 1, 1, 0 all zeros. So what are you doing? Those 4 bits you are using all zeros, and you don't want to change 1, 0, 1, 0. The 4 bits, right part of A. Right part of A is 1010. You don't want to change it. So what will be the mask? The mask will be equal to 1, because 1 and with 1 is 1 and 1 and with 0 is 0. So whatever A value you have, you are preserving it. You are getting the same thing again. So that's why whenever you are performing a mask operation to clear the bits, you have to use all zeros wherever you want to clear it, and you have to apply AND operation. So you got here all zeros, and here is same as it is, whatever is A. Now what do you want to do? At this position, you want to insert new values. What values you want to insert? 1001. And then this 1010 you don't want to change. So you use, because here you are using OR operation, if you put ones here, then what happened? Output will change. You don't want output to be changed. So what are you doing here? You are putting all zeros, and you are performing OR operation here. You are performing OR operation. When you are performing OR operation, so what happens here? OR. Achha. Pen is not available. Here you are performing OR operation. Here you are performing AND operation. So OR operation, this is the bits that you are inserting. So this OR with all zeros is this same, and this all zeros with A will be A. Now is it clear? Mask operation?
Yeah.
Chat. Who is Saraswati? Shiva Saraswati. Okay, very good. So then we can move ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
So next operation, next start. I think it is for free. Zoom is giving only 40 minutes.
Yeah.
So I think it will end. Only 1 minute is there. So I can't start a new lecture. I will conduct again class tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Did you all start writing?